Okay, this is the second part. I'm walking out the garage, and there's my truck. I've been using it all morning. I've burned about a quarter of a tank of gas, and I think I've gone about 600 feet. But it's looking good. Try to hold it steady. Okay, I'm outside now. It's about 31 degrees. And across the street, the boys are sliding down their deck because the snow is all the way up to the top of their deck. Still coming down. Now look out back. This is the fence. Get an idea of how much snow we've had. I'll get some good shots of the, we'll zoom out a little bit there. Look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to walk to the front. There's Matt's car. I haven't touched it, so it's been there since the snow started last night. Look at that. I'm good looking over at Smokey's. He's been out every few hours trying to clean up the heat pump and keep the pathway open to his wood in case we lose power. We haven't lost power yet, but there's about 150,000 people without power so far. Now I just pan around here and let's see the house. You don't, I guess on the garage, I'm going to tilt it up a little bit. On the garage roof, you get an idea of about how much snow we've had. It's about 27 inches out here. Now there's the, I'm going to back up a little bit, back right into a snowbank here, but there's the house. I'm just trying to use this machine. Okay, now here's the driveway. I've got it pretty much down to bare pavement. Look at the snowbanks on the side. There's just no place to push the snow. It's just really tough to plow. I called my nephew, who's in the snowplow business, telling him I must need lessons. And he said, lessons? He said, nobody can push snow. We're using bulldozers and dump trucks where he's doing it. Now here you go. This is where I'm pretty well stuck. There's enough snow packed down where I've gone over it 2 or 3 times. I just can't do it. And this gives you an idea what it's like out front. This is the end of my driveway. And now I'll zoom out a little bit here. And that's my neighbor's line of trees, and they're just covered with snow. This is my nice old cedar tree. It looks like it's about ready to come down. And let's get a long shot of the house. Try not to be too jerky here. And there you go. It's a winter wonderland here in Maryland. And this one is for you displaced Canadians who don't know what snow is anymore.